August Wakanda Panning Project 2023. As you can see, I've not made much progress. I've been busy with my family, enjoying the last couple weeks with them. So I'm just showing you the products that I plan to use for the next panning project. One product I've made a lot of progress on is the Universal Yummy Skin Balm by Danessa Myricks, and I just put that on every day after my moisturizer and it dries down like a powder, so I just do that and leave to do what I have to do. So my panning project this month is very slow. Away, Mama for today. Oh yeah. Oh Coco Miguaj. Sinima ko inima kwel. Membet mempuel. Mettez si vous pouchez de miel. Parce que c'est pas tous les jours qui nous aiment. Bouche français pour manger. Là-bas, un barbet quand je vais. Si la manière va l'inventer. Même passion bonne à tout pencher. Oh yeah. Avoir bon les bons conseils. Mon crayon pas prendre sommeil. Par la clé comme un soleil. What's in his way? Mama for today. Oh yeah. Coco Miguel. But this is the progress on my Wakanda Panning project. See you next month, and please go visit all the ladies that are taking part in the Wakanda Panning project. Talk to you again soon. Bye.